Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Realme UI version and ensuring at least a few hundred megabytes free. Emoji packages install faster on Wi-Fi. Once connected, back up your keyboard preferences so you can revert if needed. Then go straight to Settings, choose Additional Settings, and select Languages and Input. This direct path takes you to the Keyboards list. Make sure the keyboard you use is enabled, so the next steps can modify its emoji pack without unnecessary detours. Now tap the keyboard app you currently use, for example Gboard or Realme Keyboard. This opens the app's configuration. Once inside, find Preferences or Theme and Emoji Settings. That's where emoji packs and styles live. Look for a Download, Update, or Manage Emoji option and install the latest pack. If you see style choices, pick one that matches system emoji rendering. This replaces or augments the keyboard emoji without needing a full system update, saving time and preserving your settings. To finalize, restart the keyboard or reboot your phone so the new emoji files load system-wide. Sometimes a quick toggle of the keyboard works too. Then test in Messages, WhatsApp, and social apps. Switch keyboards if an app still shows old emojis. If the update fails, clear the keyboard app cache or reinstall the keyboard and reapply the emoji pack. If that still doesn't work, check for a system update, since emoji rendering can depend on the OS rather than only the keyboard app.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.